In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check traffic ticket online in Chicago. The first thing to know is that the process depends on what kind of ticket you received. In Chicago, non-moving violations and moving violations are handled through different systems, so identifying the ticket type will help you go to the right website right away and avoid confusion. If your ticket is for parking, a red light camera, or an automated speed enforcement camera, you'll want to use the City of Chicago parking portal. This is the correct place for those non-moving violations. Once you're on the portal, you can search for your ticket in a few different ways. You can use your license plate number, your Illinois driver's license number, or the exact 10-digit ticket number if you have it available. It's a good idea to enter the information carefully, especially the ticket number, since even one incorrect digit can prevent the system from finding your record. After your search loads, the portal can show you more than just whether the ticket exists. You may also be able to view ticket photos or videos, check the current status of the citation, see hearing information if applicable, and pay the fine directly through the site. That makes this portal useful not only for checking a ticket, but also for understanding what happened and what your next step should be. If your citation is a moving violation, such as speeding, improper lane usage, or another officer-issued traffic offense, you'll need to use the Cook County Clerk of the Circuit Court Traffic Lookup instead. This system is designed for traffic cases that may involve the court, so it's the right place to check pending or past moving violations. On that traffic lookup page, you can search using your driver's license number or the exact ticket number listed on the citation. Make sure the information matches what appears on the ticket so you can get the most accurate result. Once you find your case, you can review the status and see whether there are any court-related details tied to it. In some cases, moving violations may also be eligible for electronic resolution. If that applies to your ticket, you can check the Cook County ePlea and ePay portal to see whether you can handle it online without taking additional in-person steps. So overall, the key is simple. Parking, red light, and speed camera tickets go through the City of Chicago portal, while moving violations go through the Cook County court system. Once you know which type of ticket you have, checking it online becomes much faster and easier.